ammonia. Molecular formula of ammonia is NH3. Molecular weight is 17. In 1774, Joseph Priestley first time prepared ammonia by heating slaked lime with sal ammoniac. He called the gas as alkaline air since it is basic in nature. In 1785, Berthelot studied the composition of the ammonia gas. In 1800, Davy proved that ammonia is the compound formed from nitrogen and hydrogen. Now, preparation of ammonia. Preparation. First method is from ammonium salts. When ammonium salts are treated with alkalis, upon heating, ammonia gas is liberated. Ammonium chloride heated with calcium hydroxide, we get ammonia and calcium chloride and water. Now I am taking ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate treated with sodium hydroxide, upon heating it gives ammonia gas and sodium sulfate and 2H2. When ammonium sulfate treated with slaked lime, CaOH taken twice, upon heating gives ammonia and calcium sulfate plus 2H2. Here ammonia gas is lighter than air. That's why it is collected by downward displacement of air. Collection is, it is collected by downward displacement of air. The formed ammonia is dried by quicklime. Drying agent we are using quicklime, calcium oxide. Why? Because reason is quicklime is basic in nature, ammonia is weakly basic in nature. That's why ammonia do not react with quicklime. Hence we are using drying agent is quicklime. We should not use sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide and also anhydrous calcium chloride. Why? Because those react with ammonia gas forming respective compounds. So we are not using sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and also phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5, and anhydrous calcium chloride. These we are not using for drying of ammonia gas. Why? Because ammonia react with these compounds. Here reactions H2SO4 plus NH3 2 moles, it forms ammonium sulfate, NH4 taken twice, SO4 and six NH3 plus P2O5 plus 3H2O. It forms ammonium phosphate NH4 taken thrice PO4. It is 2 moles. And also 8 moles of ammonia reacts with anhydrous calcium chloride, forming addition product, that is CaCl2 8NH3. This is addition product. Due to this reason, the liberated ammonia gas is dried by quicklime. These we are not using for drying of that ammonia gas. And one more method is from metal nitrides. This is also laboratory method. First method also laboratory method, second method also laboratory method. That is, second one is from metal nitrides. These metal nitrates are formed by burning of metals in the atmosphere of nitrogen gives metal nitrates, followed by hydrolysis we get ammonia gas. Aluminium plus N2. Burning aluminium in N2 we get aluminium nitride, 2 moles it is. Calcium nitride. Burning of calcium in nitrogen gives Ca3N2, calcium nitride. Here 3 moles it is. Similarly, magnesium nitride. Burning of magnesium in the atmosphere of nitrogen, it forms Mg3N2. From metal nitrates, upon hydrolysis, we get ammonia gas. Aluminium nitride plus 3H2O gives rise to NH3 plus AlOH taken thrice. This is ammonia gas. And from magnesium nitride, Mg3N2 plus 6H2O, we get 2NH3 plus MgOH taken twice, 3 moles. Similarly, here with calcium nitride, Ca3N2, upon hydrolysis, we get 2 moles of ammonia and 3 moles of calcium hydroxide. This is about from metal nitrides we can obtain ammonia gas by hydrolysis reaction. And the third method is industrial method of preparation of ammonia. This method we are called as Haber's process. So third one is manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process. It is very important in the preparation of ammonia. So in large quantities we can obtain ammonia by Haber's process. Reactants are nitrogen and hydrogen. Temperature is about 450 to 500 degree Celsius. And the pressure is 200 atmospheres to 900 atmospheres pressure we are using. Catalyst is iron, finely divided iron, and the promoter is molybdenum. And also reaction conditions, it is exothermic in nature and it is reversible in nature, and decrease in volume. If this process proceeds through decrease in volume. Low temperature and high pressure favors the forward reaction to the formation of more amount of ammonia. Now, main reaction is N2 plus 3H2. It is a reversible reaction. Catalyst is finely divided iron. Promoter is molybdenum. Temperature is about 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. Pressure is about 200 to 900 atmospheres. We get 2 moles of ammonia gas, and with the liberation of 22,400 kilocalories of energy. So here reaction conditions, reactants are nitrogen and hydrogen. Reactants, nitrogen and hydrogen by 1:3 by volume, and the product is ammonia by 2 volumes. Catalyst, finely divided iron. Finely divided iron. Promoter is molybdenum. Instead of finely divided iron, we can use iron 3 oxide also, and promoters K2O and Al2O3 we can use. Now temperature 450 to 500 degree Celsius, and pressure 200 atmospheres to 900 atmospheres. Here the reacting gases must be free from carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide and also hydrogen sulfide. If these are present along with these reacting gases, they poison the catalyst. That means they decreases the activity of catalyst. So catalytic poisons in this reaction is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and also hydrogen sulfide. Here this reaction is exothermic in nature. Exothermic and also reversible, and the process proceeds through decrease in volume. Why? Because here it is 1 volume, 3 volumes, total 4 volumes, formed gas is 2 volumes. So decrease in volume we can observe in this process. And favorable conditions, low temperature and high pressure. Low temperature and high pressure favors the forward reaction. Forward reaction means formation of more ammonia. So this is about Haber's process. It is the industrial method of preparation of ammonia. Here instead of this catalyst we can use iron 3 oxide and promoters K2O 1%, 3% Al2O3 we can use. Here it is a reversible reaction. Reactants are nitrogen and hydrogen. Product is ammonia. Here heat energy liberated, that's why this reaction is exothermic in